look at that mountain of meat. Let's try. Oh, that is a juicy skewer. Let's bite. Very nice. Okay, so it's Saturday evening here in Beijing. One of my favorite things to do is to have some skewers, or char as we call it. So you find this kind of place in the background. It's just a hole in the wall. So let's go inside and check it out. Yeah, very local, as you can see in the background. You gotta practice your Chinese a little bit. There is no English here, that's for sure. So you gotta pick some stuff here and see what shows up. Hopefully nothing too crazy, but I can see some lamb and beef here. So I'm gonna pick a few and then wait for it. Ooh, here we have the master doing the barbecue. Wow, here we have a whole mountain. It's looking spectacular. Gonna start with this one. I think it's lamb meat. Let's try it. Ooh, very juicy with the natural fat. And we have this interesting thing. I think it's jinjingu, the golden needle mushroom with a bit of a tofu on. Let's try. Very crunchy and very nice with the chili flavor. Everything becomes better with chili. We actually have whole pieces of garlic here. Nice, let's try. Crunchy, not thoroughly cooked. Really nice with a bit of oil, I think, on top. And cumin, nice. Fantastic. The good thing is that we still have a whole mountain of stuff left here, so let's try some more. Here I think we have some sort of chicken situation. Let's try it. Sometimes you don't know what you get in China. It tastes good. Soft, could be whatever. Could be liver, hope not, but yeah, tasty. Not my favorite, I think the other ones are better, but protein is good for you. And we have a bit of a weird sausage situation here. Not my favorite, but fun to try. Very chewy. Definitely a lot of mix of stuff. Not sure how much meat it is actually. Maybe some tofu stuff inside. I'm not sure. Not too bad, but not my favorite. And I think we have a chicken skin or something here. Let's try it. Oh, that is crunchy. Some more of this tofu with the spring onion. That is a nice combo. Tofu, spring onion, and chili. A lot of good stuff in one bite. And we still have this whole mountain of stuff here. Gonna take them one by one and enjoy them. I think I'm a bit old school. I think this one is my favorite. Mostly meat on this one, not too much fat or other weird stuff. Yeah, let's dig in. Can't go wrong with some beef. One more with this crispy chicken skin. Definitely very crunchy. You have to use your jaws a lot. As you can hear, very crunchy. Yeah, definitely an amazing way to end this Saturday evening. I'm gonna relax a bit now. But if you come to Beijing, you should definitely come and try these char places with the skewers. You can have a lot of cool snacks as well. I'm just gonna walk around here, nice when the sun's setting. So let me know what more things you want to see me explore and try. And if you want to see more of that, give me a like, subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.